This video is especially for you if you are struggling with extended speaking in PTE Academic test. The task which comes under extended speaking is describe image, and in this video I'll be explaining how to use our template for describe image. Make sure you save this video and share it with as many people as possible. I assure you 100% guaranteed if you use the template correctly the way I teach it today, you will get a very high score in speaking. So let's start. The template is very simple. It just has 4 main sentences and the 5th sentence is a conclusion sentence. Now what we need to realize is that just because I give you a template doesn't mean you speak like a bullet train. You have to speak naturally. That is a prerequisite. If you don't speak at a natural speed with natural pauses, the score will not be a high score. Second, don't use unnecessary words like beautiful image, limited time, my time is up, thank you. Don't use any such words in your template or in your answer. These are useless words. I can say beautiful colors like red, blue, green. Don't say. If you want to say colors, say the colors, but don't use useless words like beautiful and all such words. That won't help you. Third, don't speak too slow also, and try to keep a natural tone and try to pretend as if you're thinking while you're making up sentences. If you speak too confidently, the score might be reduced because the software or the human evaluator might feel that you're using a predefined template. So don't use that, okay? Now, there are 4 main sentences which I'll teach you, and in each sentence you just need to add some of the actual content which you see on the screen in your own words. The first sentence is, the given image shows, let's say, a bar graph, pie chart, whatever it is. So the given image shows something which represents, and then you read the title or make up the title on your own. Even if it's a picture without any title, you can just describe, like it could be a flow chart, a process diagram, whatever it is. It could be a painting. Just say it on your own. For example, the given image shows a bar chart which represents the population density in India, for example. So make up your first sentence like this. Then the second sentence. It can be clearly seen from the image that. After that, take a small pause and then just say what you actually see on the image. For example, it can be clearly seen in the image that on the x-axis, different countries and different states from India are shown, which include Mumbai, Gujarat, and Punjab, respectively. So you have to speak like this naturally, as if you're thinking. The third sentence can be a complex or a compound sentence like this. The given image shows not only something, but also something. The given image shows an increasing trend in population from 1990 to 1992, but it also shows a decreasing trend from 1997 to 1999, respectively. So like this, a contrast, not only, but also. Sentence number 4. It can also be seen from the image that. So sentence number 2 was, it can be seen from the image that, and sentence number 4, similar. It can also be seen from the image that the highest population density is in the state of Kerala, which is around 37,000 people per square kilometer. So like this. And the last sentence will be the conclusion. Lastly, it can be concluded that, or lastly, and just say one thing on your own. So now, just visualize that behind me is a picture about coffee producing countries in the world and coffee exporting countries in the world as well. Let's assume it's a pie chart or a bar graph. So I'll say something like this. The given image shows a bar graph which represents the coffee producing countries in the world. It can be clearly seen that on the x-axis, the different countries are shown like India, China, Colombia, Venezuela, and Brazil. Not only does the y-axis show that the highest coffee production is in Colombia in 1990 to 1996, but it also can be seen that the least production out of all countries is in Sri Lanka. It can also be seen from the image that although Sri Lanka produces lesser quantity of coffee, it is a very big distributor and exporter of coffee at the same time. Lastly, it can be concluded that India and China are side by side when it comes to coffee production from 1992 to 1997. So this is how you should describe image. Naturally with natural pauses. Make sure you save this video. Focus always on content in describe image and don't speak like a parrot. Don't speak at a bullet train speed. If you're looking for such strategies, and if you're struggling with any single module as well in PT, IELTS, or NATI CCL, you can call us. I'm Malcolm from One Australia Group. You can find all our contact details with some amazing discounts going on, all in our comments section. Thank you. Good luck.